We're gonna blend another fruits today. So, for today, we're going to blend banana. And we have here frozen mango. So, ginawa ko na siya. So, let's blend.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Super frozen. Yung ating mango. So, let's just... Ang hirap tanggalin. Oh my God. Okay na. Siguro, 3 pisngi ng mangga. Here, milk. Ice. And we're done. So, let's try. O, diba? Para siyang smoothie or ice cream na yung consistency niya. Harap. Mango banana.